Good morning to you everyone. It is Saturday, yes, April the 4th, 2026. And I told you guys, let's continue with yesterday. I want to show you guys what I actually got off of Amazon. Look it. Yes, biodegradable bags. Let's get it. This is definitely going to change my gardening game. Guys, I tried this. I hate it. I hate the toilet paper roll method. It may work for you, but it did not work for me. When I watered, this would get all wet and fall apart and everything like that. With the biodegradable bags, that should not happen because the water will seep out the holes. Let's go. So, these are the bags that I have. What I did was actually, because they're too big right now for seedlings, I took them and I folded it down like so to just like give it like a half of this bag area to work with. And then I'm just going to take my seed and put it in the middle, and then as it grows I will be able to add more dirt to it. Yay! That's right. And I got some bigger ones because my castor bean plants are going in here. I am not the best girl at transplanting. Things actually die on me when I transplant. So this is gonna change my game. Yes, I'm so excited. So 200 bags came from Amazon and 100 of the smaller bags. Plenty for me. Next item on the list. Over. Oh my gosh, I seen this on YouTube and I was too excited. I had to search high and low to find it because, you know, the creator whose video I was watching, they did not tell me the name of it. But your girl found it and I'm going to share it with y'all. It's called the TapeTool. Man, this is definitely going to be a game changer for my garden. Let me show you guys. Don't be looking for me to be doing no unboxing videos because I ain't good at it. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Bad. Okay, you take it, you open it up, and you tie your plants back to your stake. Boom, boom, boom. That's how you do it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'll demonstrate it for you guys later. I got some planting to do. I just wanted to show you my Amazon find. Peace. Okay, I had to come back. It comes with all these tapes. I didn't tell y'all everything. It comes with 10 red and 10 blue. So that's plenty for your garden season. And if you happen to run out, they do sell these separately on Amazon, of course. Felicia. And they also give you staples. Now, what these are for, I'm not sure yet. I think they go inside like, you know, that. But I have to get my husband to show me how to use this before I actually do a demonstration. Peace.